I'm Derek Wolf with Over the Fire Cooking. So we have 3 awesome sauces that go great with fire cooked food. Today we actually have the Buffalo Bourbon barbecue sauce that I'm gonna be cooking in this cast iron over on the grill. We're gonna be making some charred Salsa Verde that's actually gonna be cooked on the grill. And then we're gonna have a great cilantro lime cream sauce. So let's just jump right in. So we're gonna start out with the Buffalo Trace barbecue sauce. We're gonna put it in this cast iron. We're gonna start out with some ketchup, and a little bit more ketchup as well. Ketchup is a really good base for barbecue sauce. For anybody that wants to do it really quick, really easy, and get a lot of flavor. Next, we're gonna add some Dijon mustard. This is gonna add a little bit of zest and zing to our barbecue sauce. We're gonna add some brown sugar. And just keep everything really, really nice. A little bit of liquid with our apple cider vinegar, add a bit of tartness into the flavor of the sauce. And next, we're gonna add a little bit of Buffalo Trace. This is gonna give it a little bit more sweetness, but all that flavor of bourbon that we all love. So I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit and get it ready to go. And then we're gonna add this onto the fire. All right, so we have the Buffalo Trace barbecue sauce on. It's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to really simmer and start to thicken up. All right, so the last thing that we need to do to the Buffalo Trace barbecue sauce, we need to add a little bit of honey and a little bit of kick with some hot sauce. We're just gonna stir this around and let it continue to cook for a couple more minutes and we'll be done. Let's start on the charred Salsa Verde. So right now, I have a white onion with skin on. I have some tomatillos with their husks on as well. And we're gonna add these on to just start to cook over the fire. They're gonna get really charred. The last thing that we're gonna add on is just one little jalapeno. That's gonna add a little bit of heat into the salsa. Okay, so we have our salsa ready to go. I'm gonna pull all of these veggies that have been charred off and let them cool down for just a second. I'm gonna prep them before we actually put them into the blender to finish off our salsa. All right, so we're gonna take a little bit of the cilantro. I'm gonna take off right about here. So we have our lime. And I usually do about 2 to 3 limes just because I really love the tartness on that Salsa Verde. Add a little salt and pepper. We're gonna put this into the blender. We'll be ready to go. We can start on the cilantro lime dipping sauce. So I have an empty bowl that I'm gonna be using to actually put the dipping sauce in. Next thing we have is some sour cream, mayo, lime, and we have cilantro. Because I'm gonna actually chop up the cilantro. It doesn't need to be super fine, but it does need to be enough that people can still see it inside there and still get that flavor. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna actually zest this lime. So you can just get a simple zester and just get the outside of the lime. And then we're just gonna cut it in half and use this for the juice. Next, we have our sour cream. It's about 2 parts sour cream and 1 part mayo. We're just gonna mix this up. Boom. Just like that, you have your cilantro lime dipping sauce. All right, so there we have it. We have the Buffalo Trace barbecue sauce. We have the charred Salsa Verde, and we have some cilantro lime cream sauce for dipping.